Merry Christmas, YouTube friends and fans. Today we're working on Christmas gifts for the kids that they kind of already know they're getting. Stick around. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. So for Christmas the kids got TVs in their room. I'll take you there and show it to you. But he needs a internet cable. Ran to his room because he doesn't have Wi-Fi on the PlayStation. So we took it out of there, we're putting it in his bedroom. Let me go show you all the tidbits we got from all this. So this is what was picked up for free off of the internet via Facebook Marketplace. It does have a port issue with HDMI on the back, but the lady said it had a problem with this corner square imagery. I have yet to see any real trouble with it. So anyhow, nice little Christmas here for the kids. Got the Fire Stick plugged into it, works good. Now let's get the other kids' PlayStation hooked up. So this was a unit that came from my mom's house due to her going into a assisted living nursing home. Technically it's free as well. Nice Christmas gifts for the kids, even though they already know they're getting them. So we've already sent the wife and kid down to the basement. We pulled this cord up. Hopefully he'll have internet to his PlayStation. We've got the kit all laid out. Plenty of extra cable. I had a wife coil up about 10 feet in the basement in case we gotta move it to the corner. You never know where things will be in the future. So we're gonna cut the cable here. This fancy tool comes with the ability to pre-strip the wire. So what I always do is I take the cable that's there. You can kind of tell the colors down inside. It's brown and orange to start, and then the blue and green. You just have to line them all up. So as you can see there, edge starts with a brown wire at the right, then the orange, and blue and green. So once you got them fanned out, push this end on nice and tight as far up as I can get it. Then take my crimpers, slide that end into the crimpers, and then crimp it down. And there you have it. All there is to it. We'll plug her into the router and go to the other end of the cable. And I'm not quite sure how we're going to test this because right now we've got no internet till that light goes blue instead of red. So maybe there's an internet Christmas power outage. So let's see how well we can do with getting this in together. I don't know if you can see this, but what you want to do is have the brown dark wire with the light wire and dark white, and keep your colors together. And do the exact same thing out there on the other end. We should be good to go. Plug it in, we'll find out. Well, we did have to call the internet company, and they determined there was a problem. But just so you know, if you've never done it, see the little black wire with the no light? That means it's not connected to a device. Our top wire was the one we just made, and so when it lights up, shows you have the proper connections all the way across to the other end. So thank you for watching. Hope you found this video a little bit helpful. Catch you on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like. Give me a comment if you need some help. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas.
Yes.
Did Santa come?
Yes.
Did you get to see him? Did you stay up long enough?
Yeah, he probably came at 1. At 12, and these presents were here.
Huh.
So he came before 12 because I was up.
Well, I was snoozing.
I couldn't hear anything because I was already fast asleep. Yeah.
Yeah, you was out.
Okay, sorting present.